open the file from the local disk for print, from the USB flash for print test print. So we choose this file for print. For this file, we can set the print resolution for 12 plus, and also we choose repeat print. For example, I want to print more copies. If you want this file go through to the power processing system, you need to make a longer printing length. So we can put two copies. And for the X copies, we can only put one, because right now the one job width is 55 centimeters, but the maximum printing width is 60. So if we put 2, it's bigger than 62. So we cannot bigger than 1 copies. But if your file is only 10 or 20, you can put more copies for X copy. And I want to print the full image, so I just click off the earlier cutting and choose layer, tap by white button, white ink by close. And white ink density 1 copies is not for me. I choose 1, and all I just keep as default. And then we go to set the X margin. I put just 20 or 21 centimeter from the edge, from table edge to the film, because I put the film on the middle of the table. So after we set, and also here the color show 5 color. Here we must open. If we close, then we print. Then we have arrow coming out. Here it show the arrow information, image color mismatch, because the file is 5 color, but we open the white ink, so we need to close the white ink. So if we have this kind of arrow 10024, so we need to open the white ink, and then we start to close the history, and then we go to choose, right click the mouse and choose print again, and then the printer starts to print this file on the film. Also, we must be sure we already have a good auto check print, and also the already loads the film to the printer. And also we did the good alignment for the calibration for vertical, or to left, to right. Then we can have a good printing resolution. Also, if we want higher quality, you just choose to left or to right printing. If you want a mass production but worse printing quality, you can choose bidirection print. So this is all the procedure for printing from the control software.
Okay, after we choose the file, test the real picture to print, then we can see the printer start to print. Printed with white ink on the top. You can see the white ink is not overlap, printed with high precision, and the color is vivid. The Focus Nebula 62F DTF printer, printed by fast speed, bidirection. with fast printing speed, good white ink density, and details, shadow, high resolution. Faster printing speed. We go to the software, we can see the file print with fast speed bed selection. Even by bed selection faster print speed model, we can still see the high printing quality, no overlap, good white ink density, and color ink rendition. Print and fast print speed.